All right, Gary, let's go for a ride in a hot rod GTO.
All right, man.
Like a little resto mod. This one's got a
Hugger Orange.
Yeah, Hugger Orange. It kind of got all the Judge treatment done to it. It's not a Judge, but it is a real GTO. And that thing runs great, man. It's got a built 400. It's got aluminum heads. It's got aluminum intake.
Doesn't it have like roller rockers?
Yeah, roller rockers, electric fans.
6-speed.
That 6-speed Tremec is killer, man. This thing goes on the freeway, cruises no problem. It's got a 12-bolt Positraction differential in it. Not quite sure what the gear ratio is yet. Probably like a 355 or something like that, because it's got that 6-speed. You don't need to have the real tall gears.
You'd be turning 1,000 RPM.
I know. It pulls hard though, you know. Got 17-inch wheels. It's got air conditioning. I mean, everybody wants, you know, air conditioning and disc brakes and modern suspension.
That's right. That's spoiled. Keep little hot rodders.
That's right, man. It's got big sway bars, tubular control arms. Pretty cool. The guy that built this car didn't really even use it. I mean, we got it out of his garage. There's an inch of dust on it. It's just sad, you know. Some people spend the money restoring them and they don't use them. They don't have fun with them. That's okay. We'll have fun with it.
Yeah.
Ah, it runs good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh, you can get through a couple gears, we're already done.
Exactly.
Come on.
I know, we're already there. We're done. Let's go home.
Yeah.
But nice car overall. It's got a nice interior too. It's got all fresh black vinyl interior. It's the stock seat, stock look, but they've added some orange piping. Yeah, some people like it, some people don't. Not the end of the world, but it's not bad. It looks good.
Yeah, I like this, man. It drives great.
Also got a stereo system in the glove box with Bluetooth.
Yep.
And all that good stuff.
Yeah, and this is just a placeholder.
Yeah, it's good. They didn't cut the dash though.
Yeah, always.
It is a real GTO after all. And tilt wheel. Forgot about that.
Oh yeah, what's a 242 car?
242. All right, let's take some pictures of this bad boy.
All right, check out this 1969 Pontiac GTO, Hugger Orange. Kind of done up as a Judge there. You know, it's got some of the striping and spoiler and stuff. Pretty neat car, man. It's got a 400 in it. And, you know, the 400's got all the good stuff in it. You know, it's got a performer intake, aluminum intake. It's got Edelbrock Aluminum Heads, roller rockers. Nice Holley Carb on there, MSD. Stainless steel headers, Magnaflows. It's all hooked up to a 6-speed Tremec transmission. Hydraulic clutch. That's pretty nice to have all those gears. And I'm not sure, it's got a 12-bolt in the rear, it's posi. You know, I'm not sure about the gearing. Feels like about 350s or so, you know. Got some 17-inch wheels on it. Got a nice aluminum radiator. Of course, we're going to show you all that stuff when we look under the hood. It's got some Wilwood brakes there, you know, which is always nice for stopping. Let me swing around here and show you the interior. It's such a nice looking car. Got the nice bucket seats, front and back are nice too. You know, you can see back there. Got the yellow, I mean the orange, what do you call it, piping on there on the seats. Got like, I don't know if you can see it in the sun, but you know, it's a 6-speed, there you go. Nice, you know, dash, looks in great shape. Got your Grant wheel. 3 pedals, better be able to shift. That's pretty good. Interior's in nice shape. Thing's got air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Alrighty. Good car. Nice to be around. This one will get you a lot of attention. So we're going to go ahead and show you under the hood next. Alright, check out the power plant here on this GTO. Like I said, freshly rebuilt 400. It's got aluminum heads, roller rockers, got some nice headers on there, stainless. Got the Hydroboost braking system. Got your aluminum intake with your Holley dual feed carb. AC, aluminum radiator, a couple big fans there, keep this Pontiac cool. Pretty nice car. Let's go ahead and give it a crank up. Yep, sounds pretty good, man. Sounds good. Go around the back here, let you listen. Got some nice exhaust. Sounds good, man. Sound good on those cruise nights. Well, we got this car here over at California Cars. We're located in Simi Valley. Phone number is 818-591-1313. And you can give me, Gary, or Rich over there in the car a call, and we'd be happy to show you this. Man, it's a really nice car. Got a lot of eyeball to it. Alrighty, so come on down and make this yours.